So hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, The Small Travel Angel. There I'm back with another vlog, and this time we are in Tokyo, the capital of Japan, the main hub of Japan. It's like Tokyo is the most important place, and the population of Tokyo is 4 crore. And yeah, so now we are heading towards Shibuya Sky, and this vlog is dedicated towards the most important. Like if you all are coming to Tokyo, so the sightseeing. You know there are a lot of towers in Tokyo, like Tokyo Tower, Tokyo Sky Tree, Shibuya Sky. So this vlog is dedicated towards which all towers you should go, like which all sightseeing spots you should go in Tokyo for the towers. So yeah, now we are heading towards the Shibuya Sky, which is an iconic tower. Like it's a high ground building. And it has an elevator by where you all can click a few escalator actually, from where you all can click amazing pictures. So yeah, we are heading towards there. So that's the Shibuya Sky. So first we have to take a train in by the Yamanote line from Ikebukuro to Shibuya. So that would take around 15 minutes, and we are actually late. We had our slot at 12 noon, but at the moment the time is 11:48, and we are a bit late from our slot. So I guess let's see what happens. But I guess they will let us enter. Fingers crossed. And guys, India lost the World Cup final. Sad, like very sad. I was crying last night. So my parents had gone to Shinjuku. I didn't go because I was seeing the World Cup final. But heartbreak happened, like always. But yeah, Rohit and Kohli played amazing. Next World Cup 2027 and South Africa. Let's hope we do something there.
I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon. I got eyes in the back of my head, I'm seeing. Take me for granted and you know I'm leaving. I'ma take what's mine with the webs I'm weaving. I could take this crowd from seeing to believing. Got a taste for blood and my tongue keeps bleeding. From the words I spit, so sharp, so freezing. So cold, behold, frostbite they feeling. I could tear you apart or I could go heal them. Don't believe in fate, don't believe in ceilings. I just need a taste and my mind starts peeling.
So guys, as you all saw now, we took the lift and came up to the Shibuya Sky. Oh my god, it's so windy. It's so windy. Oh hi. Amazing. So guys, yeah, I'll show you all how the view is now. Yeah, so guys, this is the view from the Shibuya Sky. Bye, Paisa Vasool, bye. This is the Shibuya Scramble crossing, which you can see. Paisa. This is some stadium. Baseball mostly here, because baseball is famous here in Japan. And Burj Khalifa is failed in front of this. Tokyo is so like you all see houses are packed, everything. So Dubai, you can't see all this. Now the crossing. So this is how the view is from the Shibuya Sky. Paisa Vasool bhai. And it's on the 45th floor. And the buildings are densely, like a dense forest. The buildings, there's densely concretization here in Tokyo. It's vast.
Tough climb, and I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times. 'Cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. 'Cause I'ma live life for the fight, yeah, I'm here to get it. I got drive, got sight, always have a vision. I go by at night, I be in my feelings. I'ma be fine, need time, and I'll soon be winning. I live life for the fight, yeah, I'm here to get it. I got drive, got sight.
So guys, now we are here standing in the queue for taking a picture here in Shibuya Sky. And also I can see the Mount Fuji from here. When we go a bit ahead, I'll show you all that. The vibes here at the Shibuya Sky are amazing. Like each corner has a different vibe. Also 2020, the Olympics which had happened. I guess there's a stadium which was used in that 2020 Olympics. I guess it's that one only. But let me see. I'll check on Google. I mean, Safari. Yeah, but like you can see the Tokyo Sky Tree, Tokyo Tower, Mount Fuji. And every corner, like, they have something amazing. If you would have come in the night, it would have been better, but we didn't get a slot for the night. So like we just found that 12 noon slot. So because in the night the lighting is amazing, and Dubai is fail. Dubai is fail. I've been to Dubai so many times, but this is fail. I'm enjoying this place and seeing Tokyo. Like it's such a vast city. Amazing. Maza aa gaya. Paisa vasool. So guys, this is the view from the other side of the Shibuya Sky, and we have clicked some amazing pictures till now. And there you'll see the Tokyo Tower. Amazing, you know. Now we are just enjoying Shibuya Sky, and also guys, here there's the office of Google, and the closer view of the Tokyo Tower and Tokyo Sky Tree. Guys, we were actually just going around Shibuya Sky, and I found this something amazing. There's this kind of sky bridge above the road, and people are playing. People are playing. Let's see this place. Tokyo Sky Tree. I mean, we are going there, but Shibuya Sky has been amazing. Tokyo Tower. I mean the Red Eiffel Tower. That's also looking very good. Red Eiffel Tower is the place where I've been wanting to go since a long time. Red Eiffel Tower, yes. Now we are taking a few more pictures, and the line over here is fabulous. So after taking these pictures and seeing Shibuya Sky for last 2 hours, we are heading towards the souvenir shop, and the souvenir shop, yes. We'll also see how our pictures were clicked by these people. First, let's go to the washroom, guys. 2 घंटे से नहीं गया हूँ. So guys, the souvenir shop is budget के बाहर, तो उसके लिए we are going to the gallery too. Just a joke. First we are going to the gallery, then let's see the souvenir shop, because we won't buy anything, because like wherever you go in Burj Khalifa, I relate to Burj Khalifa, I don't know, always, or Dubai, because बहुत बार गया हूँ, Now there's this Sky Gallery. Let's see what's there. I see robots. So yeah, there's this thing you see over here, censored. Then there are these balloons from where you can click a few pictures. Okay, good. They have copied Dubai. That's the thing. So my dad is doing this. Actually, it's related to physics, like sound. Now this touch is coming, so that means not understanding, but yeah, it's related to physics. Wow. Oh bhai, oh bhai, oh bhai, oh bhai. And bas, that's it. Let's see something is there ahead. Okay, it's just a full round. यहाँ पे भी there is, like, even here there is balloons, and you can sit over here and take a view of the Tokyo Tower. I mean the red color Eiffel Tower. Yeah, that's the Shibuya Sky. Now let's see if we eat something. Mostly we'll go to McD, because in the morning we had a good breakfast of eggs and bread in our room, because we have a kitchen, Yeah. Let's see more, like where we go, because the Tokyo Sky Tree entry time we have got is at 7 o'clock. So also Tokyo Tower, so that's like any time we can visit in the day. We'll go before. Let's plan it out. Now let's eat something first. So guys, we ate at McDonald's. I took one McSpicy burger and my parents took cheese and chicken burger. So now we are heading towards Tokyo Tower. So we have taken the bus. It costed us 6:30 yen, and so we are going to the station, a bus station called Toranomon Gochom, from where we'll have to walk 9 minutes to go to Tokyo Tower. Let's enjoy the views now. And sorry for the volume because I have to speak, faintly. Okay. So guys, here now we are heading towards the Tokyo Tower, and the bus ride was pretty good. But now here while we are walking in Tokyo, there's a lot of breeze, so yeah, it's pretty cold. I'm just scared I don't get sick because after we just reach home, my school starts and I have an exam, so fingers crossed. Now we have reached Tokyo Tower. It was it's a pretty good, easy route if you all come by the bus, because you all don't need to interchange. If we came by the subway, then we would have had to exchange. So yeah. So guys, here we are reaching closer and closer to the lal color ka Eiffel Tower. Sorry, red color. Sorry, what's the name? Tokyo Tower. Lal color ka. Yeah. So yeah, our Doordarshan ka tower in Mumbai is bigger than this. Not that big, but yeah, compared to this, अच्छा size है. This is also Doordarshan tower type only. Yeah, no, itna kuch, nothing different. We are going up now. We are going to the deck. This deck you all see, we'll go till there. Guys, we are at Tokyo Tower's main deck, and this gave me a thoda paisa waste hone wala feeling. Because there's nothing so amazing over here. From one Doordarshan tower, I see another. Yeah, so from one Doordarshan tower, I see another Doordarshan tower. Only one thing which I like over here is that bridge you all see. Yeah, that bridge good. Otherwise, everything okay. So yeah, this is how the Tokyo Tower is, and here the souvenir shop is there, but everything is pretty expensive. So yeah, these are the postcards. No photography, so I just showed it from outside. Also there's this temple over here. See, the good park which I see over here. And yeah, nothing else. Only that Doordarshan tower I see here. Doordarshan tower. The system is very good. From one Doordarshan tower, have a look at another Doordarshan tower. Actually, said Shah, we should have click pictures from outside, because the Tokyo Skytree also will give us the same view. So yeah, if you all are coming to Japan, I would say, rather Tokyo. So I wouldn't recommend this place. Okay. Now let's see. We'll take a picture over here. So guys, we are doing one parikrama of the Tokyo Tower, and then we are leaving. Just 3 minutes we are going now. Oh, there's one stamp. Let me put that. So guys, after a parikrama and taking 2-3 stamps, we are heading towards the exit. Oh yeah, there's a disco. Yeah, let's go down. No, don't come here. This is. We have to go to the main deck one, and from there the elevator is there towards the exit. Yeah, so guys, if you're not coming to Tokyo, come to Tokyo Tower. It's not that expensive, but I would say just come, take a picture from down and go, because there's nothing like to look around over here except that bridge. Which if you all are taking like take a hop on a bus, go over there. That experience is also done. If you all want to come. But I would suggest like it's kind of wasting your time, and your hard work money. Like you are just coming on the top of Doordarshan Tower, this thing I'll show you. This is good, okay? Yeah, so only this thing is good over here. Otherwise, nothing. It's like that Dubai frame. That's it. Nothing else. Come if you all want. Now we are heading towards a hotel mostly, and then we'll go to Tokyo Skytree, Doordarshan Tower. So guys, now we are at the cafe of Tokyo Tower, and we bought one matcha latte. Let's taste it. First I'll show you all how it looks. So this is how our matcha latte looks. So let's have a taste. They have given it a frosting from the top and a syrup of matcha. Let's have a sip of the coffee. Amazing. The syrup with the coffee. Wow, amazing. Maza aa gaya. And that frosting also is good. Good part. Maza aa gaya. Paisa vasool. And this cup of coffee costed us 480 yen. Expensive, but theek hai. So now let's head towards Tokyo Tower. So guys, this is the Zojoji temple, and now we are heading towards the nearest station, subway station, to the Tokyo Tower. So now let the signal start, then we walk. So guys, after taking the subway from Daimon station near Tokyo Skytree, we have come to Oshiage station, which is for the Daimon station for the Tokyo Tower, to Oshiage station for the Tokyo Skytree. So yeah, if you'll come to car number 5, it's a good exit. We'll directly come to the central gate. From there you come down, take the exit, come to the Tokyo Skytree town, and you go up. Easy Tokyo Skytree entry. Ekdam easy, guys. I'm saving you all.
We are committed to ensuring your safety while you're here.
I saw Google Maps ka photo, उससे I got. But ठीक है, guys. So now we are heading towards the Tokyo Skytree. Mazak masti over. We'll take a picture over here first. Good Christmas tree. Japan is good, very good, but subway very crowded. So guys, while we were just walking through that Tokyo Skytree building, we came inside the Pokemon Center. Oh bhai, it's amazing. I'll show you all what all is there over here. I don't follow Pokemon that much, but all my friends were like, if you're going to Japan, get me something like of Pokemon cards and all. It's like the variety of Pokemon products is amazing. It's overpriced, but yeah, it's amazing. I'll not buy from here today because I want to buy Pokemon cards. So I'll see where I'll find them. There are these stickers also which they have. Also there's this Pokemon cafe which is there here in Tokyo. We'll go there also. This is all stationery of Pokemon. Oh boy. Here it is. These are the Pokemon cards, or these are the sleeves. I guess these are the cards. Guys, these are the cards, and the price is 550 yen only, very cheap. I'm buying a whole set for me. That's guaranteed. Here there is another set. I'm buying one set for myself for sure. So guys, also here you will find the Harry Potter this store. But that Pokemon, I'm coming tomorrow. I'm going to buy those cards for 5,500 yen. I'm coming. I'm coming, bro. I'll just study a bit. I'm coming. I'm going to sell each and every card in India. So guys, we bought one churro from this stall here. Very expensive, but theek hai, cinnamon churro. So now we are heading towards the Tokyo Skytree. Bhai, this place is paradise, you know. Paradise. Paradise for the people who like anime, Doraemon. Like legit, there was a Doraemon pop-up store. Maza aa gaya. I'm not buying anything today. Now I want to go to the hotel and sleep. So now I'll just see, like we'll go to Tokyo Skytree. Then we'll head towards the hotel because I'm dead tired. Like rather we all are dead tired. And yeah, first let's get the ticket. I am going to retire then, yeah. So we have bought these tickets online from Klook and we are heading towards the elevator. But guys, sadly, due to strong winds, the elevator, like it may take some time. I don't know what's going to happen. भगवान से दुआ है कि हम जल्दी चले जाएं. यहाँ तो we won't even get the ticket like refund. चलो now, there's a big queue here. It will take time. A lot of time. Let's head towards the Tembo deck. So guys, after waiting for so much time, finally our turn has come. We are heading towards the lift. And yeah, we have to wait again. Daily business. They all can see that the height of the elevator, like how high it is. It's 350 meters above. Guys, इतना टाइम कौन रुकाता है भाई? इतना टाइम. Not bad, not bad. So guys, now we are in the lift and the season of the lift is autumn. Let's see what is there in it. Oh bhai, Stampede. So guys, this is the view from the Tokyo Skytree. There I see one Ferris wheel. When you all can see now. Acha camera, acha camera. Must view, amazing view. And paisa vasool view. Come to Tokyo Skytree if you are coming to Tokyo. Better than Burj Khalifa. No, not better than Burj Khalifa. My Burj Khalifa, everything for me. So this is how the Tokyo Skytree has been made for Christmas. You all see. This is how it's made for Christmas. Then there's like one stall over here. Tembo deck. Floor. Acha, that's for the photography. Otherwise the view is ekdam paisa vasool. Maja aa gaya. बहुत crowded है. That's the only thing. And we paid 2,800 for it on Klook for 3 of us. If you all come here and buy the tickets, it's expensive. It's like some 2,100 yen per person. We paid 2,800 INR, which is around 4,500 yen. So yeah, it's worth a visit. Better than Tokyo Tower. We'll take a few pictures down also. Let's see if they have something more crazy over here.